Hi there. Welcome to Docents DigitalesTV, the channel where learning English becomes simple, practical, and fun. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic, customer service scripts in English. If you work in customer service or plan to, you know how important it is to sound professional, helpful, and confident on every call. By learning key phrases and scripts, you'll be ready to handle any situation, from answering questions to resolving problems. By the end of this video, you'll feel prepared to ace every call in English. Let's get started. A friendly and professional greeting sets the tone for the entire call. Try these examples. Thank you for calling, company name. This is your name. How can I help you? Hello. You've reached company name. How may I assist you today? A warm and polite introduction immediately puts the customer at ease. If you need more information to assist the customer, use clear and polite phrases. Could you please provide me with your account number? May I have your name and email address to better assist you? Can you tell me more about the issue you're experiencing? These questions show that you're attentive and ready to help. When providing solutions, use phrases that sound confident and helpful. Let me look into that for you right away. I'll do my best to resolve this as quickly as possible. Here's what I can do to help. Explain the solution. Remember to stay calm and positive, even if the customer is upset. Sometimes you might need to deal with complaints or angry customers. Use empathetic and professional phrases. I'm sorry for the inconvenience. Let me see how I can make this right for you. I completely understand your frustration, and I'm here to help. Thank you for bringing this to our attention. Let's find a solution together. Empathy and patience go a long way in calming the situation. End every call on a positive note. Is there anything else I can assist you with today? Thank you for calling, company name. Have a great day. We appreciate your business. Feel free to reach out if you need further assistance. A strong closing leaves a lasting good impression. Quick recap. Start with a friendly greeting like, thank you for calling, company name. Ask for details politely with phrases like, could you please provide your account number? Resolve the issue confidently by saying, here's what I can do to help. Handle difficult situations with empathy. I'm sorry for the inconvenience. Close the call on a positive note with, is there anything else I can assist you with? Practicing these scripts will help you sound professional and confident in every customer service interaction. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel. If this video has been helpful, we'd love your support. Give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Docents DigitalesTV for more practical and engaging English lessons like this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.